Una na so why akosa onju we me arrest. Why onju me arrest? Okay, una why akosa onju we me Matthias Ezeaku arrest. Okay, if una okay, now let me tell you something. Akwa native doctor mele J-Park arrest last month. Akwa native doctor ka J-Park na adovan van na social media. That native doctor we me J-Park arrest. Una so why akosa onju we me Matthias Ezeaku arrest. Akwa the same Matthias Ezeaku mere one native doctor arrest. That native doctor na akpali o me arrest. Mmadụ bịa kpala your father n'ilugu na akpali your father. Wefta your picture your father. Na asị na your father na-egbu mmadụ. Na your father na-egbu wayo. Na your father na-emarụ dị iche iche. And the go and woman na your father the innocent. Ị ga-akpọ onye ahụ sị ya bịa kọwa ihe ọ na-ekwu. This is what Akosayon mere. This is what exactly what Akosayon did. Una amali ho na-achọ. Na nkọ na-akpa Ijele na Abuja. Wee na-akpali Nnamdi Kanu. Gafuru video Nnamdi Kanu ebe last month. Ebe last 2 weeks. Video Nnamdi Kanu na nwunye na-eme love. Ka Ijele wepụtakwa na Facebook ya na ọmụọkụ Nnamdi Kanu. Ijele na-ekwu na ọ ga-egbu Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọ nọ. Ijele so abụọ mgba ka Biafra ghara ịbịa. Now Ijele wee dị abịa. Ijele wee bịazi na-akpali Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Unu ndụ Biafra si. Some of you ewepụta eweze picture. Unu ndị Igbo na-eme freedom fighter na ọ na-achọ ike unu nwere ọnwụ ọnụ. Unu ewerekwa picture the same person ahụ na-akpali Nnamdi Kanu na-etinye na page na-epraise ya. Ị na-eti picture Ijele, ị na-post na your page, na-post ya na-epraise Ijele. Mana esi ịkpọrọ nwoke freedom fighter. Ịkpọrọ nwoke ị na-achọ ka ndị Igbo nwere onwe fe. We Igbos, we don't know what exactly we need. You people should leave Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You people should leave Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Hapụrụ nwoke mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ Evangelist Ebuka Obi wụ a minister of God nọ na Nigeria. There are many ministers of God nọ na Nigeria. But why you people choose this man? And because of this man is an Igbo man. Because of Onemo Ofuma. Because of Ifeye Ashakego na shine. You people are trying to cover it. The same Igbo people. Ọ bụ na ndị Yoruba na-akpara Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Lagos now. Ọ na-gasị na ndị Yoruba na-eme tribalism. But ndị Yoruba ji nwa ọgbachi onwe nkịtị. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-eme plọ na-eme unu bụ ndị Igbo ekwe ka nwoke mmadụ nwe mmetọ biko. This is not wickedness. Oduduwa Nation TV ha na-post video mu 2001, 2021, 2022. They are posting my videos. Ndị Oduduwa na-azọ freedom. Mana afụgbe m ebe ndị Oduduwa bịa na-eti picture ndị pastors ndị Yoruba na-akparịfa. They are not doing it. But unu ndị Igbo na-eme on a happy Biafra agitation on game, religion. Stop all these things on them online. Stop it. All the shows in Biafra agitation. Close your page. You people should stop all this things on them. Now call it this religious war obtain an Igbo. Peace agrado. How many population not Christianity in Igbo? I believe. But we are not fighting ourselves. On I'm not getting food. I go your money men. Money have one. Maybe because of one already by bias. No, I cannot do that. Even Bible say love your neighbors, love yourself, love your enemy. So you people should stop all this religious war on Achipton and Igbo. All of us join our hand together. If it's this night, and some of you people na pastors ndi Yoruba na hadra pale ndo na ekpere alonsi ndi Yoruba na ekpere alonsi maybe idol worshippers. Who tell you that thing? Both Mandi Igbo, Manda Hausa, Mando Ghana, Mando Cameroon, all the Christians condemn on idolatry. So hana ekuye mana onwere nya hana bafa pastor nwe ike binye na pulpit ye Yoruba pastor si na ndị na-ekpere alụnsị ji eje ọkụ mmụọ na ha ga-eme nke a mana onwe ụjọ kpara afa otu aka ndị Nigerian pastors emekwa nkefe otu aka ndị Igbo pastors eme nkefe. They will be condemning idolatry but they will not call your name. You can condemn Christianity. You are free to talk anything you want to talk. But ebe ọ ga-aduzi njọ bụ na ọ bụ na ị na-akpọ mmadụ afa weta picture mmadụ every day na-akpọ onye ahụ afa na onye ahụ bụ onye oshi na onye ahụ na-egbu mmadụ nke ahụ bụ nke adọrọ mma. Every Christian, whether you Hausa or you be Igbo, Ghanaian or Liberia, Cameroon, America, Hana condemn idolatry. Hana condemn it. Yes, we condemn it too. I myself, I condemn it too. I condemn it. Man, when I condemn here, Akpamafago as a native doctor. Akpamafago as an idol worshipper. And with them picture good thing, na Akpamafago in the balance, so you should stop it. Niji galonsi I nepe. Need you go this your alonsi when a woman in a village go. Do I mention your name? I condemn idolatry, but do I mention your name? Evangelist Ebuka on when did be on a bath every day, or bath on a bath and be every day, or bath for the banker. Oh, we can say, do be an apple say, on this and money. All no mention his name or her name. But Matthias says, I got that. Or they teach your mother. Every day, not Ebuka, not Ebuka. When I ask why Ebuka the mayor last, when you Ezeaku, the truth is that what Matthias is doing at Roma, I don't care whether you like it or you don't like it. You people are saying, Nando can Alon Sioko, Nando can BC, Alon Sianya. Yes, if you go a pastor, Batalabe Made. Biabe dibia bane wo ko se haro si dibia nwere na akpa alon se hoku no all that dibia or eze nwanya ho ga se pastor bia na ma chozilo pastor we boy oko pastor enworo light batabe mmade palon si before oko without permission from those people. Matthias say Bible oko onata permission from Christians Bible oko. Yes, you people are saying it. Matthias says Ezeaku Bible oko onata permission from Christians Bible oko. Obocha Bible oko ndị Christians are ebuso ya ha. They just leave him and God. That we are you people should leave us with your gods. I say, why you people are saying why do Matthias says Ezeaku? Why can't he use spiritual power to attack him? Whether you do good or you do bad, people must talk about you. Let me tell you now, Matthias says Ezeaku knows now. Not the taste me. But I'm here with a message. So this is a message to all those people that are doing Biafra agitation. Nigeria. You people should stop that thing. Question religious war on the Butan and Igbo. You people are there to bring Biafra to liberate Igbos. But you people are turning this thing into religious war. Imagine a freedom fighter or on your page on Facebook, in Twitter, Instagram. You will picture for Mbaka, picture of Monso, picture of Bukobi, picture on the pastor's name. Is it what a freedom fighter is supposed to do? You need to go train him. You need to read history. But you don't know what you are doing. You call yourself a freedom fighter, but you are coming bringing religious war in Igbo. Now, Indi Banos in a one, Banos in no food. Because of what people are causing on social media, religious war and Igbo land. You people should stop that nonsense on the social media. If you don't know what you do with your Facebook page, close that Facebook page, focus on business in them. Stop that thing. You people should stop all those things. Can focus on our attention, our mind. Can we why? Never on the moon on Igbo Lagos. Hi, Igbo, Chineke melendi Igbo ebele. All of us suppose reach Phoebe. Where one mind, can I fight this thing along why do? On a happy home, I cannot call for Jesus asked, I don't say some car, ordinana. Yes, deep and well, like Tepta. Stand the pastors of Bundoshi, look up on Daro. You can say it, Ikuchaya, when you Barafa, on an Enegania. The pastors wake up was under the balance to the Jokumo, and Hanemenka, who could away Hana Passanya, Pastor one of Barafa. Manaki was not bath and the pastor, not or Roma. If you or because of Matthias says Ezeaku, I love him or no senior people like I love him. So you people should stop all those things. Ndibu, can we no food, can we no one love, can unite together. Question about here both spiritual and physical. Question forgotten on Ndibu sing food, na achọ Biafra. Question wole aja when I got that confusion, only na kaba, and I call religious war. Because Ndibu our lives will go up. New generation of our lives will go up. After Nana Hatara, Obala, our forefathers, all from one and Wago. Kareba, Obala Facebook.